Welcome, sister. You've made it to this moment that you have arrived and you know that there's something more out there for you. So I wanted to come for just a moment of your time and tap in to that feeling a little more. I call that the divine feminine awakening, and you are on a truly amazing journey. So maybe I should tell you a little bit about my journey, how I came to discover the divine feminine power that lives within us if you are a woman or a man. And we all have it. But right now, the energy in the world is shifting big time. And it is all about energy. So if you feel this shift and you feel that there's something going on with your health, with your wellness, with your emotional wellness, your mental and physical wellness, maybe even your spiritual wellness, that's why I'm here today to talk to you. My name's Lisa, and I'm a registered nurse and a certified wellness coach. I have multiple certifications to teach meditation, to be an intuitive soul coach, and I also have practiced Reiki for the past 3 years as a Reiki master now, finally. So I work with women, primarily women, to tap into this mystery, this divine feminine power within us. My specialty has been in the past 10 years, really a focus on women's mental health and psychiatric services. And also prior to that, I worked labor and delivery as a nurse, and I worked in the nursery with families and pediatrics, postpartum, but my favorite was antepartum when I could take care of a woman in labor. That moment when the baby is born is so special, and the energy in the room, there's nothing else like it. So this is when I started understanding truly what our divine feminine power is all about. But it didn't stop in the labor room. After I received my coaching certification in 2017, I opened Natural State Life Coaching. I now run a women's health and mental wellness coaching practice here in Northwest Arkansas, online and worldwide. So I'm offering a program for women to discover their divine feminine power through a series of simple techniques and activations. So, after seeing women for the past 16 years, being a nurse, working in the field, I came to know what a depleted, sick woman looked like. I identified women who were emotionally exhausted, and I too would tear up as a witness to them when they were talking with me, listening, and I realized I'm not far off from that struggle. I went through a very personal journey of health and wellness over those 10 years. And I can say, as we sit with each other as women in circle and listen to each other, my question was, how can we love each other more and support each other when I still felt so lost? I suffered with hormone imbalance, and I was in a victim mentality. I felt like I couldn't get out of bed. I had headaches, and I really had a number of other concerns with my health. It wasn't until I was faced with having surgery that I really turned my life around. I had a big wake up call. This wake up call happened when I realized I could either have surgery or I could hire a wellness coach and really listen to what I needed to do to figure out this plan for my power, to get my divine feminine power back. So I went down that journey. It took me all the way to Sedona, Arizona. It took me all the way back home to Arkansas. And I realized that the healing power was within me. So I had choices along the way. And when I went to my wellness coach, I realized that there could be a really specific program that targeted exactly what I went through. Because I know there's other people out there like you who are suffering, or maybe in that victim mode, or maybe just getting the wrong answers. And maybe there's a lack of a team approach, someone who can guide you, like a wellness coach who's trained and certified to work with your doctor, to work with a psychiatrist, to work with a therapist, to create what I like to say, the divine feminine triangle. So if you flip that triangle upside down and you put it on your abdominal area underneath your belly button, that is where our power lives as divine feminine goddesses. So I'm going to invite you now to put that triangle on your abdomen, to really feel that area as your power. It doesn't matter if you're with a uterus or without. We all have a divine feminine space within us. And I'm here as a wellness coach to help you tap into that space and start awakening from within. So I began my healing journey many years ago, and I thought I was pretty healthy. It was that wake up call and that wellness coach, those two things. And if I could reach you, if I could reach women much earlier, much before that, that is where we can really do some good for each other. So again, I'm Lisa. I'm a wellness coach. But more than that, I am a woman who struggled with hormone imbalance, endometriosis, and many other things that had to do with my digestion, headaches, adrenal fatigue, and just plain old emotional anxiety and depression. So I'm here for a reason. I went through that for a reason. And I think that reason is so I could create the perfect program for you to go through. The program has different techniques, including guided imagery, meditation, Reiki, and chakra balancing. I am a trained meditation instructor, and I also am a Reiki master. So with that being said, I will guide you every step of the way. I send audio recordings, and we also do one-on-one personal wellness coaching. And it taps right into that divine feminine power that you have, that you might not even know is there. But if you know it's there and you feel led, and this sounds like something you are ready for, then I want you to contact me. I would love to give you a free consultation. I call it just a call with Lisa because that's who I am. And we can really get to know what health struggles you have gone through, what your story is, and where we can start tapping in to the sacral energy of the divine feminine power. It's there within you. And I'm here, ready. So with that, I do hope that I will see you on my schedule. I do hope that you will give it a chance to listen to this program. And if you've gotten to this point, you are searching for the right answer. I was searching for the right answer. I had seen at least 6 different doctors, and I was ready to possibly even be faced with a major surgery. I stepped down a different path, and it was the path of wellness coaching. I worked with a certified wellness coach, and then I became one. So maybe you're listening to this thinking, maybe I want to be a wellness coach too. Well, in that case, you can tap into your divine feminine goddess, and I have a program for that as well. Through my sovereign coaching school that I went through, I'm now certified in business, in life, and intuitive soul coaching. That's already on top of the certification I had to be a certified wellness and life coach. You could say I have 4 different certifications, and that's why I help women, because I think they need the expertise and the collaboration of someone who can listen to them and truly guide them to put together their own empowering action plan for divine feminine power. So join me, and I hope to see you soon. We say Sat Nam, which means in truth. My truth speaks to your divine feminine truth, because we are one, sister. We are one. And you are a divine feminine goddess. So I hope you have the most wonderful day or evening, and I'll see you, Natural State Life Coaching, on my page. Can click the like button for my videos, support. We all appreciate that. We want to support each other. That's what we're here for. So, blessings to you, sister, and I'll see you soon.